You already know that URateIt is the world's most popular, powerful, and versatile peer-to-peer rating app. You can use it to create great-looking polls in minutes and include photos, music, or even videos.
But the QuickPollIt feature makes creating a poll even faster. I'm talking seconds.
With QuickPollIt, you can ask your social contacts literally anything. Like, what should I name my new puppy?
Who's the greatest basketball player of all time?
Where should we all meet up for dinner Friday night?
How would you rate last night's season finale?
How cute is the new guy in the office?
There are unlimited possibilities. Whatever you can think of, you can QuickPollIt to your social network.
And like with any URateIt poll, you'll be able to see the results in real time. Creating a QuickPollIt is really as simple as 1, 2, 3. To begin, just choose the QuickPollIt from the home screen. Step 1, type in a question. For example, what's your favorite TV show? Next, choose the number of options between 1 and 5, then select a rating system. At step 2, the poll is already formatted, so I just fill in the labels. I can change up the look by toggling between a light or dark poll design. Step 3, I choose how long I want the poll to last, and then select what kind of a chart I want to use for showing results. And that's it. All that's left is to invite my social contacts and then watch the votes come in. The QuickPollIt feature on the URateIt app is amazingly fast and easy, and the possibilities are unlimited. So now you're ready to create your own QuickPollIt polls and send them out to your social contacts. It's really cool when the votes start coming in. URateIt, the world's greatest app for rating anything and rating everything.